Learn Hindi fast. Where is the toilet? To why are you here? In
Hindi.
Welcome to Useful Chaos. Hey, you're about to learn 5 super useful Hindi questions without falling asleep. We'll do it with a little drama, a little travel panic, and a lot of memorable repetition. Picture this. You arrive in India, full of confidence, snacks, and exactly zero idea where anything is. Within 10 minutes, life asks you 5 important questions. First, your bladder asks, where is the toilet, which in Hindi is.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
Then your wallet wakes up and says, how much does that cost, which is.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
Then a mysterious person appears near your tea and you ask, who are you, or.
तुम कौन हो?
Your friend is late, obviously, so you text, when are you coming, which is.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
And finally, someone walks into the wrong room and you whisper, why are you here, or.
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
Congratulations! You now possess the emotional range of a traveler, a shopper, a detective, a host, and a confused librarian. The toilet quest. Let's begin with the most heroic phrase of all. No cape needed, just urgency. The phrase is.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
It means, where is the toilet? Say it like you mean it, because one day you absolutely will. Break it down.
शौचालय
Means toilet or restroom.
कहाँ
Means where, and.
है?
Means is. Try this polite version from real life.
माफ कीजिए, शौचालय कहाँ है?
Excuse me, where is the toilet? Much better than interpretive dancing. Mini scene. You are in a giant train station. You had tea, then another tea. A dangerous decision. You spot a guard and ask.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
The guard points left. Angels sing. Memory trick. Imagine a glowing restroom door floating in the sky while everyone chants.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
Ridiculous? Yes. Effective? Also yes. Your wallet speaks Hindi. Now let's protect your money with style. Your wallet would like to survive this market visit. The phrase is.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
It means, how much does that cost? Keyword alert.
कीमत
Means price. If you remember just one shopping word, let it be that one. Your future self will nod proudly. Imagine you're holding a beautiful scarf, looking thoughtful, worldly, and maybe slightly confused. You point and ask.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
That is much smarter than gasping at the price tag and pretending you were only touching it for research. Little market dialogue. Seller smiles. You smile. Seller waits. You ask.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
See? Civilized. Elegant. Financially responsible. Funny image for memory. Even your cat in sunglasses points at a toy mouse and meows.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
If the cat can budget, so can you. Mystery at the door. Time for suspense. Someone knocks. You open the door. Dramatic music starts for no reason. The phrase is.
तुम कौन हो?
It means, who are you? Break it down.
तुम
Is you.
कौन
Is who, and.
हो?
Is are. Say it with curiosity, surprise, or full movie star suspicion.
तुम कौन हो?
Mini comedy scene. You walk into a strange house. A parrot turns slowly, stares into your soul, and asks.
तुम कौन हो?
Honestly, fair question. Useful comparison.
कौन
Means who, while.
क्या?
Means what, so.
तुम कौन हो?
Is, who are you, not, what are you. Very important if you are speaking to humans and not to mysterious swamp creatures. The Late Friend Chapter. Every language course eventually meets one universal truth: somebody is late. Probably the same friend every time. The phrase is.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
It means, when are you coming? Here's the core word.
कब
Means when. Tiny word, huge emotional power. Imagine you made tea, snacks, and a heroic amount of patience. You check your phone and text.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
5 minutes later, you text it again, but with stronger eyebrow energy. Mini dialogue. A. I'm on the way. B. You said that an hour ago. A. Traffic. B.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
Memory image. A giant wristwatch shouts.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
Across the city while a snail slowly crosses the road carrying your dinner invitation. Wrong room energy. Our final phrase is perfect for confusion, surprise, and accidental entrances. We've all opened the wrong door in life. The phrase is,
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
it means, why are you here? Break it down.
यहाँ.
Means here.
क्यों?
Means why, and
हो.
means are. Imagine walking into a quiet classroom, confident and wrong. Everyone turns. One person asks,
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
you consider becoming invisible. Tiny dramatic scene. The villain enters the hero's secret cave. The hero narrows their eyes and says,
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
very cinematic, very useful. Memory trick. Picture a refrigerator opening, and instead of food, a milk carton looks offended and asks,
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
speed drill with attitude. Now you try the phrases fast. Listen, repeat, and imagine the scene each time. Need a restroom? Say.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
Need the price? Say.
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
Need someone's identity? Say.
तुम कौन हो?
Need your late friend to answer reality? Say.
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
Need to know why someone is in your space, your room, or your suspiciously quiet library? Say.
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
Final laugh and review. You did great. Let's wrap up with one last quick recap before your brain runs off to buy snacks. Today you learned 5 practical Hindi questions.
शौचालय कहाँ है?
For, where is the toilet?
उसकी कीमत क्या है?
For, how much does that cost?
तुम कौन हो?
For, who are you?
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
For, when are you coming? And,
तुम यहाँ क्यों हो?
for, why are you here? Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases during the day, and don't worry if it feels messy at first. Funny repetition works, and you're doing better than you think.